Dear students and dear viewers, welcome back to my channel Future I. In this video, let us going to learn about basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. First, let us understand how this theorem going to be asked in the examination. State and prove Thales theorem, or state and prove basic proportionality theorem, or prove that if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. In these three cases also we have to prove Thales theorem itself. Important thing is, whenever they ask like state and prove Thales theorem or state and prove basic proportionality theorem, in that case first we have to write this statement and then we have to proceed to prove the theorem. Now the figure which is related to this theorem is a triangle, and in a triangle a line should be drawn here, that is D is parallel to BC. So whenever we draw a line DE is parallel to BC, this DE divides AB and AC as AD by DB, which equals to AE by EC. This is what we have to be proved. Now as you all know that theorem has to be proved by 4 steps. Very first step is given. Now look at the figure and understand the given. In the figure we have a figure that is triangle. Hence in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. I mean here DE is parallel to BC and DE intersect AB at D. AB is intersected at D and AC at E. Next step to prove. As I said, this line DE divides AB in two parts, AD and BD, and this E divides as AE and EC. These all parts will be in same ratio. I mean like AD by DB, which equals to AE by EC. Next step, construction. Look at the figure. First join B and also CD. Next draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Understand one more time. Join B and CD and then draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Next, let us move on to the last step, that is proof. For that, observe the figure properly. Here, the triangle which is shaded in yellow color. Consider the triangle. Find the area of that triangle. Area of triangle ADE. Look at the figure again. We are considering ADE triangle. As you know that area of triangle finding formula is half into base into height. Hence, I am using half and base. I am taking base as AD because perpendicular is drawn to this side. The perpendicular is drawn to which side? That side you have to take it as base. Hence AD is the base and EN is perpendicular. So here half into base into height. Base is AD and height is EN. Similarly, we have to do for triangle BDE. Now look at the figure. The triangle BDE is here, which is shaded in green color. Now find area of the triangle. Generally for this triangle also, half is a constant. BD is the base now. The many children will be in confusion. They will write ED is height. But ED is not a perpendicular height. Hence, EN only we have to consider for perpendicular height. Hence, we have written EN here. Now here, half and half will get cancelled. EN and EN will be get cancelled. Now what is left out here? That is AD by BD. And this call it as equation number 1. And you must write the reason, that is area of triangle finding formula. So next let us move on to the further step. The same step will be followed here also. First let us find area of triangle AD. Look at the figure. For the same triangle, but now we have to take base as AE and height as DM. Thus, so here half into base is AE and height is DM. Similarly, let us find area for the triangle DEC. This triangle, which is shaded in blue color. So base is EC and don't take DE as height, take DM as height. Now here half and half gets cancelled, DM and DM gets cancelled. Now what is left out? That is AE by EC and call it as equation number 2, and the reason is same. Now compare these left hand side and here right hand side. See, left hand side almost same. So numerators are same, but in the denominator here BD there and here DEC there. As you observe the figure correctly, these two triangles, which is shaded in green and blue. Green is included up to here, children. Should not confuse. So BDE and DEC. These two triangles are standing on same base. Which is the same base? See, standing on same base D. 9th standard, you have studied when triangles are on same base and between the same parallels, they are equal in areas. Here these two triangles are equal in areas, hence these two triangles are equal. Therefore, I have written area of BDE is equals to area of DEC and call this as equation number 3. Write the reason. BDE and DEC are on same base, which is the base D, and between same parallels BC and D. Now, in this place, I can write BDE. If I write BDE here, left hand side parts will become equal. When left hand sides are equal, automatically right hand sides has to be equal. Hence, by comparing all these three equations, from 1, 2 and 3, I can write right hand side text. That is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This is what we wanted to be proved, children. Hence, proved. Dear students, I hope you have understood this theory. So kindly subscribe my channel, that is Future and I. In the next video, we'll come up with another content